Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report at 10 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0:30 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The UK CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The fundamentals of the US economy are moving to where an interest rate cut may be necessary, San Francisco Federal Reserve Bank President Mary Daly said, though she signaled a July rate cut would probably be too early. A US attack on Iranian nuclear sites could lead to a knee-jerk reaction in global markets when they reopen, sending oil prices higher and triggering a rush to safety, investors said, as they assessed how the latest escalation of tensions would ripple through the global economy. The US dollar rose to a 3-week high against the safe haven yen and gained ground on the Swiss franc on Friday, amid signs tension in the Middle East is easing after Iran backed continued discussions with Europe on its conflict with Israel.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar-yen pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 3.6% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie fall 0.4% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The oil got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.